Good afternoon, Open Tech technical support team. We know we have a requirement to let the public storage team know when we've resolved the ticket, either for kiosk and for IOE. And we went in and created a template to make this part of the process a little bit easier. So as you can see right now, we're in a ticket, public storage ticket. It was about a kiosk being offline. This actually is resolved at this point. But from within the ticket, I can go to the timeline here on the right-hand side. I can click the plus button and I can hit email. And you'll see that'll open an email itself here. If I actually remove public storage from the to line item and click on insert template, it'll bring up some template options for me. And we've created a public storage resolved ticket alert. It may come to the top, but if you haven't recently used it, you can just search for public and it'll bring that up too. If you click on it, it'll give you an example of what's being shown, and we're just going to apply the template. So what we've done is in the subject header, we've got OpenTech Alliance ticket resolution alert. It's got the ticket number. And then it repeats the ticket number itself. This ticket has been resolved in the OpenTech Alliance system. The facility, public storage 08468, the actual issue that was reported, and the status of the ticket. And we can add some other details in here in the email template itself. But at this point, this is all they're asking for from us. So really all I have to do in this case now is put in the people that I want to send it to. So Jordan Lawhorn, and there was two others. In this particular case, I will actually send it to, let's send it to Mark Fronston. So what you would need to do in this case is put in the three folks that they're requesting in the two, okay? And really at that point, all you have to do is hit send. And it'll send that email off. If for some reason you're doing this for regular clients or whatever, you can set a reminder to follow up with your email. You can actually set it to schedule to send the email a little bit later. If it's later in the afternoon or really early in the morning, you don't think they're going to get it. But I'm going to go ahead and send this off. Now, the nice thing about it is obviously they're going to receive the email that they wanted to receive, but within the ticket itself, you can see the email is stored here. So we have a record of it in the system and can refer back to it. So I hope this was valuable for you. Have a great day.